What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 5 Retro Ghost Green. If you've never seen me before, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. Before we get into the video, if you could do me a huge favor and smash that like button for me. And if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss any content. So these Ghost Green 5s dropped a couple of weekends ago, and I was actually filming a video during the time when it dropped, and I went on the sneakers app in the middle of the filming. And I showed that if you watched my Foot Locker pickup video. So they finally came in the mail today, and I don't know, for whatever reason they were a little bit slow on the shipping, but we're going to take a look at them right now. So these come in your black Retro Jordan box with the red Jumpman. And they have Nike Air on each side. And the size tag reads white, ghost green, court purple. And this is a size 9. Opening up the box, you have your black tissue paper. And here you go, guys. You got your Jordan 5 Ghost Green alternate Bel-Airs. The materials on this shoe reminds me a lot of the Jordan 5 Fire Red. They came out a few months back. Just, you know, maybe not as glossy as that. But the shoe is pretty dope. Like the color coordinations that are all over this colorway does pop. You do get an extra set of green laces. I think they look really good with just the black ones. But if you want to go ahead and customize yours up a little bit with the green laces, I'm sure it'll look good too. So I don't know why they call these the alternate Bel-Airs, because Jordan Brand back in the day did a whole collaboration with Will Smith based upon the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and you can even Google that if you don't believe me. But these were the Ghost Greens, and the original ones were gray in the upper, and this one's white. So I'm not really sure how the Bel-Air name caught on to these. It is very reminiscent of the 90s, like cross colors and Fresh Prince, I guess, with just the colorways and stuff like that. But this is the Ghost Green. I wasn't really crazy about these shoes. Never really been a fan of the Ghost Greens, but in hand they're decent. Pretty nice shoe. They definitely pop. That's for sure. So guys, let's take an up close look at these. All right, so here's our first up close look at the Jordan 5 Ghost Greens. Now you have a synthetic upper, and that's more reminiscent, like I was saying before, of the Jordan 5 Fire Red. It's just not as glossy as that one. And on this side, you have your 23 in that green color, which when they add the 23 on the 5s, it looks fire no matter what. So I think they should put that on all of them. Then on that shoe, you do have your green Jumpman on there. And then you have this purple lace lock, and that has a green Jumpman as well. And here you have your black laces that come with the shoe. And on the side you have your black eyelets. In the midsole you got that court purple. And you got your pink shark teeth with your blue speckle there. And you got your air pocket. On the back of the shoe you do have a green Jumpman. Behind the tongue, you have that upside down Air Jordan, and you have that crazy colors inside the sock liner and behind the tongue. Inside the shoe, it's all black with a white Jumpman, which I don't understand how there's no color in there. You got all these crazy colors everywhere else, but that's just the way it's made, I guess. Now the other shoe has the pink 23. And you have the blue shark teeth at the midsole with the green speckle. You have the pink Jumpman on the tongue. And you have your purple lace lock with the pink Jumpman on this one. Does come with an extra set of green laces, which I think they look really good with the black ones, but if you want to go ahead and put the green ones on, I think they'll look good with that too. So, I don't think you can really go wrong with either. Behind the tongue, you have the upside down Air Jordan in pink. And inside the shoe, once again, you have those crazy colors in the sock liner with the white Jumpman that's inside the shoes. And in the back of the shoe, you have the pink Jumpman that matches the tongue and the number 23 on the side. So both shoes are uniform to each other, but opposite of each other. One other thing I kind of wanted to touch on, and I'm not really sure about it, but on the OG Ghost Greens, they had the crazy colors that are inside the shoe. They were all different. So whether, you know, my pair or somebody else's pair, or, you know, all the way around, you know, people would just be totally different. So that made it a lot easier to fake. And I'm not sure if, you know, these are that same way or if, you know, they're exactly the same for everybody. So just something to keep in mind. So if you were a fan of the original Ghost Greens, then you'll like these ones definitely. You know, you got the alternates since, you know, these are white instead of the gray that were on the originals. This colorway is pretty loud, guys, so just keep that in mind. Overall, is this a nice shoe? Yeah. But personally, for me, this is a pass. I'm not really big into this too much. I get why people would like it. You know, it brings back a lot of nostalgia from the 90s and stuff like that. Overall, I mean, it's not something that I would ever wear, I don't think. So this is why this was a pass for me. I'm not saying you shouldn't get the shoe. It's definitely a well-made shoe and stuff like that. And, you know, you really can't go wrong with an Air Jordan 5 or retro of any kind pretty much. But personally, for me, this is a pass. I actually got this on the sneakers app, you know, for a friend who's a huge Jordan 5 fan, and you know, I'm going to be dropping these off to him tonight. And I just wanted to give you guys a look at them in case you were on the fence. Maybe you do want to purchase them, maybe you don't. But my personal opinion, this is a pass for me. So let me know down in the comment sections, was this a cop or a pass for you? And what are your thoughts on the Jordan 5 Ghost Green? Before you guys bounce out, if you could please smash that like button for me, it helps me more than you know. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video on sneaker reviews, gear, and sports related items. We recently hit 250 subscribers. We're on that road to 500, guys, so please consider joining the channel. And until next video, peace.